lovely morning. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I, Arzu Jain, welcome all of you on behalf of KK Silk Mills Limited on the auspicious day of listing ceremony, a significant milestone of our initial public offering journey. Can we have a round of applause, please? We are delighted to have such an esteemed audience of investors, analysts, partners, and stakeholders. Your presence here today reflects your belief in our vision, and we sincerely value your time and support. Before we commence, I request everybody to please rise for our national anthem. Can we have the national anthem, please?
पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
Thank you, everyone. You may take your seats. To mark the beginning of our listing ceremony, I request our guests on stage to please light the lamp. I would like to request Mrs. Dharmi Devi Shah, and as I speak the names, I would request them to please come towards the stage. Mrs. Dharmi Devi Shah, Mr. Manish Shah, Mr. Nilesh Jain, Mrs. Asha Shah, Mr. Mayank Arora, and Ms. Radha Kirtivasan.
Augustine, थोड़ा हाँ बस.
Now I would like to request Mr. Manish Shah and Mr. Nilesh Jain, promoters of the company, to welcome the guests with flower bouquets. I would like to request Mr. Manish Shah to Ms. Radha Kirtivasan, Head of Listing and SME at BSE. Can I have ma'am on stage? Can we have a round of applause, please? Mr. Nilesh Jain gives to Mr. Mayank Arora and Ashish Romta, merchant banker. Thank you so much, gentlemen. You may take your seats. Now let me give you a brief of the company. KK Silk Mills Limited since 1991 is a well-established integrated textile manufacturer with over 3 decades of excellence, specializing in high-quality woven fabrics, 100% cotton, polyester, blends and printed variants, and ready-made garments catering to all segments, men, women and kids wear, including formal casual shirts, sherwanis, dress material, burqa fabrics and cushion covers. Equipped with a modern 5,422 square meter manufacturing facility in Umbergaon, Gujarat, and led by promoters Mr. Manish Shah and Nilesh Jain, with more than 50 years of combined industry excellence and experience, we are a trusted supplier to a leading domestic and international garment brands. Known for premium microfiber fabrics in plain, twill, satin, dobby, and falafel weaves, we maintain strict quality standards and continuous innovation. Now, I would like to present a corporate video of KK Silk Mills. For 2 minutes, we can have the video, please. Thank you so much. To know more about the business model, growth journey and financial highlights of the company, it is now my pleasure to invite the promoter and managing director, Mr. Manish Shah, to take the stage and present the corporate overview.
Good morning, everybody. Respected designated esteemed guests, member of BSc, SME platform, partner, colleges, friends and well-wishers. Today is a very big moment for me and my team and all my family member. Pride of all us, KK Silk Mills Limited, as we stand here to the bell ringing ceremony, we are not only celebrating our listing on the BSE MSCI exchange, but also celebrating our commitment to growth, transparency and excellence. This milestone reflects the year of dedications, resilience and the collective efforts of everyone associated with our company. KK Silk Mills began with a vision to combine the traditions and innovation and to create textile that reflect quality, craftsmanship and trust. Our listing today marks a new chapter, one of the open the door, border opportunities, stronger governance and large responsibility we are taking today, all stakeholders. This achievement would not have been possible without the support of several exceptional partners. I would like to take this moment to acknowledge them with the deep gratitude. First, a heartfelt thank you of our merchant banker, Excel Finance, exceptional partner. All planning, tireless effort, deep understanding of SME IPO ecosystem have guided us through every step of this journey. Our sincere thanks to our legal advisor, Zenith India Lawyer, for their clear guidance, timely support meticulous handling of all our legal compliance throughout the process. A special acknowledgement to our PCS, Mr. Mayank Arora, whose through the compliance support, detailed corporate governance oversight ensured smooth and structured listing process. Thanks to again Mayank Arora. We are grateful to our statutory auditor Borkar Majumdar, who is with us last from 30 years. Continue with we are Borkar Majumdar. Thanks to Deepak. The highest standard audit quality they have, ensuring all financial transparency at our every level. We also extend our warm appreciation to Sambhu Gupta, who play critical role issuing required IPO certification, guiding us through the due diligence process, accuracy of the commitment. Rajkumar ji is not here? Okay. Our thanks to the registered transfer MUFG India Private Limited for their seamless handling of investor operations, all RTA related activities with the utmost efficiency. A special note gratitude to BSE, entire BSE SME team for providing a robust platform, emerging companies like our for their continued support throughout our listing journey. We also thanks our sponsor bank, Axis Bank, for the timely coordinate support corporation which ensured the smooth execution of the IPO process. To our employee, thanks to the dedication, patience, belief in the vision KKSL customer and business partner, and your trust, motivate, strive harder every day. All our staff, thanks for the supporting to us. And our investor, thank you for believing. We assure that we will continue to grow responsibility, innovation, consistency, create sustainable long-term value. As we ring the bell today, we celebrate not just a listing, but new beginning. A beginning, great aspirations, a beginning, new opportunities, and a beginning, brighter future for KKSL Business. Thank you all for being a partner in remarkable journey. Let us continue weaving success together. Thanks, everyone.
Thank you so much, Mr. Manish Shah. Now I would like to request Ms. Radha Kirthivasan, Head of Listing and SME at BSE, to share a few words.
Good morning, everybody, and warm welcome to each one of you as we gather here to celebrate the listing of KK Silk Mills, equity shares of KK Silk Mills Limited. This is a proud moment not only for the company but for the entire SME ecosystem. With over 7 crore MSMEs listed on the Udyog portal, what we have today is both the exchanges put together, 1,300 listed SMEs. So we have a long way to go, and more companies are required to come and get listed and get the benefits of listing on this SME platform. As MSMEs, as you all know, are a backbone of the Indian economy. They contribute towards the GDP, exports, as also they are the highest employment generators. They give employment to over 60% of the employable population of India, and this is a very big number. And we are at BSE are proud of the SMEs all over. This platform, the BSE SME platform, has helped over 664 companies, and today KK Silk Mills is the 664th company to get listed on the exchange, wherein a capital raise of over 13,300 crores has been made. But the market capitalization of all these companies put together is over 2 lakh crores. And this is how the companies grow post-listing. With listing comes responsibility, and definitely the company gets its branding visibility. I was talking to the promoters and they were saying already they are getting good this mileage from the customers like Walmart. So this not only gives the branding and the visibility, but it comes with responsibility and accountability. And we encourage the company to adopt good corporate governance, transparency, and engage with the larger stakeholder. Because listing is just the beginning, and we want the company to grow and raise more and more funds from this capital market and go to greater heights. We wish the company all the very best and ensure our support always. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Ms. Radha. Now I would request Mr. Ashish Rungta, Director of Exale Capital Private Limited, Merchant Banker, to the issues to say a few words on this occasion. Can I have Mr. Ashish Rungta, please?
Good morning everyone and a warm welcome and congratulations to Manish Ji and the entire team. It is a moment of immense pride for all of us as we gather here today for the listing of KK Silk Mills on the BSE SME platform. On behalf of Exile Capital, I extend my warmest congratulations to the promoters, management and entire team of KK Silk Mills. The company entered the capital market with an IPO size of 28.5 crores and we are delighted to share the company received an overwhelming response of the investors with the issue getting subscribed more than 5 times. The positive investor response is a clear endorsement of the company's future plan. This IPO would not have been successful without the support and hard work of all the stakeholders. So I would take the opportunity to thank everyone over here. So first and foremost to the BSE SMA team, Radha ma'am and her entire team. A special mention to Anurag ji, who was the officer. He has helped us tremendously. Thanks to the legal team Zenith India, who are not here today, but they have supported us well. To our peer review auditor Shambhu Gupta and the statutory auditor Borkar Mazumdar. MUFG in time, who were the registrar to the issue. They have done a tremendous work. The IRPR team and everyone involved with the IPO. We sincerely appreciate the promoters and management of KK Silk for their vision, clarity and dedication. Your commitment to transparency and excellence has been the backbone of the successful IPO. My heartfelt thanks to our entire team of Exile Capital, whose tireless efforts and professionalism to the process has helped us in this IPO. Today's listing is not only a financial milestone, but also the beginning of a new chapter in KK Silk Mills. With the CAPEX expansion and debt reduction, the company is well positioned to scale its operation and improve its margin, thereby creating a long-term sustainable value for all the stakeholders. Once again, congratulations to KK Silk Mills on this remarkable achievement. We wish you continued success and growth in the public market. I would request Mayank Arora to say a few words, who is the promoter and director of Exile Capital. Thank you, everyone.
A very good morning, everyone. I would like to thank you, everyone who has been present here. I would like to thank Ms. Radha ma'am, who came all the way from Ahmedabad and for this listing ceremony. And thanks to BSE officers, Mr. Sachin Jain, Anurag ji, Ardin Vita ji, and Janardhan sir, who has given a lot of effort for us and supported us for our first listing ceremony and for our first listing of Exale Capital and KK Silk Mills. Today is not just a listing day. It is a day of pride, fulfillment and gratitude. On behalf of Exale Capital, it gives me an immense honor to stand here and witness KK Silk Mills steps into a new journey. For us, Exale Capital, this listing is deeply emotional. We don't just close the transactions, we build relationships. So we feel like we are the extended family of KK Silk Mills. And Manish Bhai always treated us as a family. He always treated me as a younger brother. So thank you Manish Bhai, thank you Manish Bhai for believing in us and making sure that Exale Capital will make this journey through and make your company as a listed company on BSE SM platform. Listing on the stock exchange is not the end, Manish Bhai and Nilesh Bhai. It is the beginning of a larger responsibility, a bigger journey and a greater expectations. And we are confident that KK Silk Mills will continue to rise, create value and make all of us proud. So thank you once again. Thank you all the people who have come here and given us time for the listing ceremony. Thank you everyone. Thank you.
Thank you so much, both of you. Now it's time for Memento giveaway. I would like to request Ms. Radha Kirthivasan, Head of Listing, BSE SME, please present the listing certificate and the listing memento to Mr. Manish Shah, Promoter and Managing Director of KK Silk Mills Limited. Can I have Mr. Manish Shah on stage?
Yes, look at the camera. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Mr. Manish. I would request Ms. Radha to please present the memento to Mr. Mayank Arora and Mr. Ashish Romta, Directors of Exale Private Limited, Merchant Banker.
Special congratulations on his first.
Thank you, Ms. Radha. You may take a seat. Two. Okay. I would request Ms. Radha to give one more memento to the company. Maybe we can have the promoters on stage here. Thank you so much. Since we have a little bit of more time, I would request Mr. Mayank Arora to please present the memento to Ms. Radha from BSE SME. Thank you so much. Now I would like to request Mr. Ashish Romta to please present the memento to Mr. Manish Shah, Promoter and Managing Director of KK Silks Mills Limited. Now I would like Mr. Manish Shah, Promoter and Managing Director, to be on stage, and we have a lot of mementos to give now. I would like to request Ms. Radha Kirtivasan, Head of Listing and SME at BSE. Can we have a round of applause for Ms. Radha? Can I now request Mr. Mayank Arora, Director at Exale Capital Private Limited, to step on stage. Mayank Arora, everyone.
Sir. Yeah, one more. Okay.
Can we have Mr. Ashish Romta, Director at Exale Capital Private Limited?
Okay, done.
Can I request Mr. Divya Asava, Senior Manager at Exale Capital Private Limited? May I have Ms. Drishti Jhaveri, Assistant Manager at Exale Capital Private Limited? May I request Mr. Sanjeev Das from MUFG In Time India Private Limited to step towards the stage? Do we have Mr. Sanjeev Das? Can I request Ms. Kalpita Shirke to step towards the stage? Maybe we don't have them, alright. Can I have Ms. Nishita Gandhi from PCS to please step towards the stage?
Hold it. Done, sir.
And it's not the last. Can we have the peer review auditor of the company from Shambhu Gupta and Company? Any representative from Shambhu Gupta and Company? Mr. Rajkumar.
Done, sir.
Thank you so much, gentlemen. Mr. Manish, you can take your seat. Can I request now Mr. Nilesh Jain, promoter and whole-time director, to please step on the stage to present the memento to the statutory auditors of the company from Borkar and Muzamdar. Mr. Deepak, ladies and gentlemen.
Done, sir.
Mr. Nilesh, I would request you to be on stage. Can we have the legal advisors to the company Zenith India Lawyers?
You're not present.
They're not present. All right. Can we have a representative from Axis Bank Limited? Thank you so much. Can we have Mr. Prakash Prajapati on stage from KK Silk Mills Limited? Can we have Ms. Sakshi Thingalia from KK Silk Mills Limited? Sakshi Thingalia, ladies and gentlemen.
Done, sir.
Thank you. May I request Mr. Prabhakar Anumala from KK Silk Mills Limited to come on stage? Yeah, he's here.
Done.
Thank you, Mr. Prabhakar. May I have Mr. Naman Shah from KK Silk Mills Limited on stage? Naman Shah, ladies and gentlemen. Requesting Mr. Harshal Shah from KK Silk Mills Limited to come on stage.
Yeah, look at the camera, sir. Hold, sir. Done.
Thank you so much. And the last one, Ms. Gajra Shah and Ms. Chanamma, our consultants. Can we have you on stage? Ms. Gajra Shah and Ms. Chanamma. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Nilesh Jain. Now it's time. It's time for the ringing of the bell. I would request all the dignitaries on the stage to proceed further to ring the gong for listing of KK Silk Mills Limited. All the directors and promoters, may I request you on stage. Ms. Radha, I would also request you to be on stage. The directors of Exale Capital Private Limited, we need to hurry up. The time. Yes.
इसके आगे मत देना
Yes, 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 yes.
आप उधर से ले लो थोड़ा
4, 3, 2, 1.
वेट मैम मम्मी क्या सर चलो
हाँ અહીંયા જોજો સામે
मम्मी
यस
सर आप पकड़ लो यस कैमरा मैम सर मैम सर प्लीज सर आप थोड़ा आगे जाइए
पीछे यस आगे आ जाओ ओके डन यस
Requesting Mr. Nilesh for the last memento. Can we have on stage Mr. Raj and Ms. Dhwani from Gen Z Investment IRPR team? Thank you so much, gentlemen. This is a big moment for KK Silk Mills Limited. Can we have a huge round of applause for the entire team? We sincerely appreciate your time and participation in today's investor meet. As we conclude the session, we warmly invite our esteemed analysts and investor guests to join us for breakfast, where we can continue our conversations in a more relaxed setting. Please proceed for breakfast. Thank you so much, everyone. Have a good day.